Hey guys, in this video we'll be trying to fix the fuse and switch on this Game Boy Advance. Welcome to this electronic project series. We will be unboxing, fixing, modifying all sorts of electronic projects. It will involve video game consoles, handhelds, and anything that we can think of. If you like this kind of stuff, stay tuned and enjoy the show. Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of this episode 5 on electronic project series. We will be focusing on fixing this Game Boy from the eBay lot I got a while back. This Game Boy has extensive water damage, broken screen, and just doesn't turn on. I'll be using this digital microscope since we are dealing with SMD components. As you saw also, low temperature solder and hot air gun and soldering iron. In the last episode, we tried to clean this board with IPA and a brush and found out that the fuse was blown. So the first step we will be doing is removing that old fuse. Here I'm applying some flux to start the process of removing this SMD component. Wow guys, that was very difficult. My hands was very shaky and the space between the switch and what I think is the capacitor is very tiny. Also, for a second there I thought I lost the fuse. I was trying to replace it, but it just disintegrated from the heat. So we will be using this fuse. It comes in a pack like this. It's an SMD component, so very tiny. So we will be placing this fuse and placing it over there. Just wait for it. It's very tiny and I hope that I don't damage any surrounding components when working there. Alright guys, so we just got the fuse over there. The fuse is upside down, but it should work. Let's get the multimeter to see if there is continuity across the fuse. So here I'm testing the see of the continuity, see it beeps. Alright, let's go. Let's see if this beeps right here. Alright, so the fuse works. Everything's under control. All right. Okay guys, so that seems to work. Now I'm gonna try to put this together. Alright guys, so I'm glad it works. Now I'm going to reassemble the Game Boy Advance and put in new fresh batteries. I also got that replacement screen and it has been tested, so I know that it works. Or something when it turns on. So here I'm gonna put the batteries.
see if we turn the switch. Nothing. Doesn't make anything. There's nothing. Oh shoot. Nothing. It doesn't make a sound. Let me just try to put a new screen on here and see if that works. Let's see. Alright guys, so I put the screen in and you know, put the batteries on. Doesn't work. Nothing. I really don't know now what could be wrong. I have to see if there's could be any other shorts or something. Back to the drawing board, I guess. Oh boy.
Okay guys, so while I was working on the board, that 150 ohm resistor, which I will show you right here, SMD came off and it goes from the switch to ground. I don't have an SMD 150 resistor, so I just use a bigger type. Note, at this time when making this video, I was not too familiar with the PCB tracing. So with what I knew, I just connected the resistor to the battery ground terminal. And it's a little bit messy, and I should have just connected it to the ground in the surrounding area down there at the lower portion, but I didn't know that.
So I put the battery again, guys, and turned on the switch, but nothing. I don't even hear like a, you know, I don't even hear nothing. Maybe we're gonna put in a screen, I don't know. Well, we'll see. Hold on. Alright, so I placed the screen. Turn on the switch, but nothing. Nothing. I don't know. I have no idea. Alright guys, so I actually got this Game Boy Advance, which a brand new one, and what I realized is that maybe the switch that we have is broken. Look at this, on the off position, these two poles should be connected. You know, see, and then this one as well. But on this, if you switch it over, this one also should be on. But on the Game Boy Advance, but on the Game Boy Advance, let's see, let's switch it over here. If you switch it here in the same position, nope, there's no connection. But this one is connected, but not this one. This should be connected as well. And if you switch it here, this should be connected, but nothing. There's nothing, which is the on position. So what we need to do is switch, change the switch. So that's what I'm gonna do next. Whew.
It's going to be hard because of the nooks and cranny around the switch. Also, that area is a bit busy since I've already messed around with the resistor there. But I think with this low temperature solder that I have, this will prevent heat damage to the surrounding components. Alright, let's go and remove it. Alright guys, so I removed the switch and it looks a little bit messy and it was very tedious, um, but I'm gonna do a little bit of cleanup and install the new switch.
Guys, so I got that switch on there. I'm gonna do a little bit of cleanup and then we'll see using the multimeter if we did a good job or not.
It was very difficult. There was not a lot of space to work with, and I'm so used to using my own eyes, and looking through a screen to coordinate my hands require a bit of getting used to. I need a bit more practice and time to get that down.
A little bit of test to see if this switch is working. First of all, I'm gonna do the switch, see if it's actually connecting. It connects. It's good. Connects. Yep.
Alright guys, putting it all together, I really hope that this works, because we spent a lot of time on it.
Sure that this is off. Put the battery in here and see if it turns on. Alright, here we go. Oh my god, still not on. Oh no.
Alright guys, it looks like this attempt in fixing the Game Boy Advance isn't successful. I spent so much time already, and at this point I don't really know where to go, but I'm not giving up yet. I've ordered a sonic cleaner to maybe help remove any corrosion that could be causing problems in this device. But I hope that you like this video and stay tuned for episode 3 where we get to use